Lisa here for another review. Today I want to thank the seller, KINGGERI, for sending me a sample of this product. These are some crossbars for my 2018 Atlas, Volkswagen Atlas. So as you can tell, I just opened the box and it's super well packaged. Everything is in bubble wrap and the installation instructions are super clear. We had originally had another product from this same seller and we were very impressed with the quality. So let's go ahead and unpack this and I'll show you how easy it is to install them. So here we have the 4 anchors and the front and back crossbar. Very well packaged and very well labeled. Now the instructions go through the whole installation process and they're extremely clear. Every single step is explained really well and I found it really easy to follow. So I finished the front bar and I made sure that everything was aligned towards the front of the vehicle. Those latches are gonna be where you put the ties together when you're carrying something. To be honest, the thing that took the longest time was to put the washer inside the anchor points to put the screws in. Other than that, it was super easy to put the bars together. The back bar, it was really easy to put together again. Just follow the arrows towards that all of them match and you actually will be able to put the bar together in no time. This is a time that took the most amount of time because it was my first time doing it and I was doing it on my own. So you open the key, take the lock out, and then you loosen the screw so that the actual claw that goes under can fit under the race bar. Once you tighten it, you can put the lock back inside and then you're gonna have to tighten the screws on the bottom as well at the end. With the back bar, we repeat the same process. We make sure we take the lock out and release the screw so that the actual claw and base can get into the race bar. And then we do the other side. The same thing. Once they're all set, you make sure that you tighten the screws really tight and then put the lock back on both sides. And last but not least, you can't forget to tighten the bottom screws that hold the anchors together. Once that is done, you are done installing these roof rack crossbars. I plan to keep the Allen wrenches and the keys in my glove compartment box in case I ever need to retighten them or change them. I actually love the new look of my Atlas and I want to thank again KINGGERI for sending me these crossbars. I would highly recommend this product. It was very easy to install and it is very high quality.